In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge reconciled bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if you've ended up with duplicate accounts for the same bank, or if you're cleaning up your chart of accounts and want everything in one place without losing your reconciliations or history. Before we start, a quick note. When you merge accounts in QuickBooks Online, the process is permanent. Once two accounts are merged, you can't undo it. All of the transactions from the account you're getting rid of will be moved into the account you're keeping, including any reconciled activity. So make sure you're absolutely certain about which account you want to keep and which one you want to merge into it. First, go to the Accounting menu in QuickBooks Online, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense accounts. Give it a second to load and then look through the list to locate the bank account you want to merge away, meaning the one you no longer want to use going forward. Once you've found that unwanted or duplicate account, look over to the Action column on the far right of that row. From there, click Edit. This opens the details of that account, including its name, account type, and detail type. Now, this next part is the key step for triggering the merge. You're going to change the name of the account you're getting rid of so that it matches the account you're keeping exactly. Type the account name so it is identical to the main account, down to spacing, punctuation, and capitalization. Also, make sure the account type and detail type match the account you're keeping. If these don't match, QuickBooks won't let you merge them, so double-check those fields carefully. When everything looks correct and you've confirmed the name, account type, and detail type are all aligned with the account you want to keep, click Save. At this point, QuickBooks will recognize that there is already another account with that exact setup. A warning message will pop up asking if you want to merge the two accounts. Read that message so you're clear that this action can't be undone. If you're sure you've selected the right account to merge away, confirm by selecting Yes. QuickBooks will then combine the two accounts, moving all transactions, including reconciled ones, into the account you're keeping, and your chart of accounts will be cleaner and easier to manage.